For those of you learning more about PLCs but lack expensive hardware or software, I might well have the ideal solution. FactoryIO is a factory simulation software that offers more than 20 ready-to-use scenes and also give you the ability to create your own scenarios. I'm going to use the free MasterTool software from Altus to connect to the FactoryIO simulation environment. So the very first step is I'm going to open my MasterTool configuration software. I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to select the MasterTool standard project and I'm going to give my project a name. I'm going to select the NextoXpress XP340. I would like to program my PLC in ladder. All my subroutines are also going to be in ladder in this case. And finally, I'm not going to create any interrupts. I'm going to select user program. Click on the first run. I'm going to insert two contacts. I'm going to click on the right of the second contact and I'm going to insert a coil. Click on the left of the first contact and insert a rung in parallel. I'm going to name the first contact push button 1. As soon as I hit enter, it's going to auto declare the variable, in my case a boolean. I'm going to call the second contact sensor. Again enter. And lastly, I'm going to name the coil motor. Variable is auto declared. I'm going to reference the motor in my seal-in circuit. And I can see all the variables has been declared. Next, I'm going to click on online. I'm going to click on simulation. I'm going to right click on application. I'm going to select add object, symbol configuration. I'm going to leave the name as symbol configuration. I'm going to click on build. I'm going to select the user program and again click on build. Next I'm going to click online. I'm going to select OPC configuration. I'm going to make sure that I reference my local host or my loopback address 127.0.0.1 and I'm going to click on OK. Again online. I'm going to log into my PLC. I'm going to create a device. I'm going to download the source code to my simulated PLC. Click on the user program. And I'm just going to remove the simulated I/O, which we won't be using in this case. Next, I'm going to open up my FactoryIO software. I'm going to select scenes. I'm going to select the first scene. Click on File, select Drivers. Select the OPC driver. Click on Configuration. Browse for servers. Select OPC. And I'm going to browse for tags. Alright, so I can see that my tags have been brought into FactoryIO. I'm going to connect the sensor to the sensor variable. I'm going to connect the physical conveyor to the motor that I've defined in my PLC program. And at this point, I'm going to start my PLC. I'm going to click on my push button, hit Control F7. I'm going to write a variable. And I can see that I've managed to link my 3 MasterTool Codesys based software with my 30-day trial version of FactoryIO. I wish you happy learning.